Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. From here, navigate to About Phone, and then swipe down and you will find Factory Reset at the bottom. When you click on it, it does give you a list of data that will be removed by this process, so just go over this, see if anything from these categories listed right here strikes something of a content that you would like to keep. Maybe things like applications or photos, videos, music, stuff like that, user data. If you find anything like that, do make a copy of it before you go any further. Now, with that being said, if you select Erase All Data, it does give you an option right here to back up your data. But keep in mind, this will create a backup to the Xiaomi cloud. So, hypothetically speaking, if you're creating this, if you want to reset the device and you want to create a backup because you got a new device and said new device is not from Xiaomi, but for instance Huawei or Samsung, this backup is completely useless to you because you can never restore it to that device. So in such a scenario, I would recommend creating a backup manually to, for instance, your computer with a cable. This will allow you to restore this data to any device, no matter what device that is. Now, I'm not planning to back up anything, so I'm going to select Factory Reset right here. This does give me a kind of an attention and letting me know that resetting removes all the data, letting me know the second time. And once 10 seconds runs out, you can click on next, and then they let you know for the third time that this will delete all data. Apparently twice isn't enough. Anyway, once that timer runs out, just now, you can click on OK, and this will now begin resetting. For some reason, we are blocked by a timer and at 3 messages to just, hammer in that info. Now, once you begin the reset, it is fully automatic. It will take about a minute or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.